Struggling to get your pin seen? It's probably your keywords. Whether you're trying to boost impressions, drive traffic to your site, or sell products from your shop, Pinterest SEO is the one step you can't afford to skip. You could have a stunning pin, but if it's tagged wrong or missing keywords, Pinterest will have no idea who to show it to. If Pinterest SEO sounds complicated or boring, don't worry. I'm going to break down exactly what Pinterest SEO is, where most people make mistakes, and how you can finally start getting your pin seen. Stick around because I'll share the exact approach for what's working in 2025 and the right tools to make it 1,000 times easier. Hi, I'm Max, and every week I share ways to simplify Pinterest marketing for bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers so you can get your content seen without burning out. If this is your vibe, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. What is Pinterest SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. You know Google, right? That's a search engine. Pinterest works the same way. Even though a lot of people like to treat it like social media, Pinterest is actually a visual search engine. Think of it like this. On Instagram, people scroll with no real intent. They're just consuming content. But on Pinterest, people come with a purpose. They're typing in real questions like easy air fryer chicken wing recipes or digital nomad backpacking list. On Google, you'd get blog links. On Pinterest, you'd get images or pins that link directly to the content. Pinterest's job is to show the most relevant, helpful pins. And your job is to tell Pinterest, the search engine, what your pin is all about. You do this through keywords, titles, image design, board names, and more. So that's what we mean when we say Pinterest SEO, is we're optimizing the pin information for the search engine. And if you skip it, your content won't show up in search, no matter how pretty your pin looks. That's why it's so important. Make sense? When people talk about Pinterest SEO, they usually think keywords. And yes, keywords are at the heart of it, but Pinterest SEO is bigger than that. It works across 3 layers. Number 1, your account profile. Pinterest looks at your username, your bio, and what you consistently post about. It's important to have keywords here so you're telling Pinterest and the other users who you are. Number 2, your boards. Your board names and descriptions help Pinterest categorize your content, and they're also another great spot to add relevant keywords. Number 3, your individual pins. Titles, descriptions, even what's in the image all get scanned by Pinterest and the algorithm. So if you want to rank higher, show up in more search, and get found by the right people, you need to optimize all 3, your profile, your boards, and your pins. This is what Pinterest SEO is all about. Most people skip this and focus only on the pin itself, but Pinterest is looking at your whole account to decide if you're relevant. So the next question, how do you actually find the right keywords? Let's break it down. One of the easiest ways to start is with Pinterest itself. Just type a phrase into the search bar and see what autocompletes. That's real-time data showing you what people are searching for. You can also check out Pinterest trends to see what's popular and when it's trending. This is where most people make mistakes. They skip research and just guess, but you're already one step ahead. And you also know if you want to make this easier and faster, there are tools you can use. For example, Pin Generator has 2 tools built in to make the research process effortless. The keyword tool. This shows long-tail keywords based on your niche and product. It also has the trends tool, which helps you find content for maximum reach based on seasonal interest. Once you have your keywords, remember, use them everywhere. That's how you build strong Pinterest SEO at every level, in your pins, in your boards, and your entire account. There's a lot of outdated advice out there, so let's clear it up. What's actually important in 2025? If I had to give 5 key takeaways today, these would be the things that actually matter for Pinterest SEO. Number 1, your pin title and description. Yes, Pinterest algorithm still relies heavily on your title and description to figure out what your content's about. Remember those keywords we found? This is where you put them. Old advice may have said make it catchy, but in 2025, it's all about make it searchable. Think 10 budget travel tips for Southeast Asia instead of Wanderlust vibes. This will clearly tell Pinterest what your content's about and allow Pinterest to give these pins to the right audience. Number 2, on-image text and image relevance. Yes, Pinterest can read the words on your image, but now, thanks to AI updates in 2024 and 2025, it can also analyze the actual image itself. So basically, your image and your keywords need to align. If your pin says best cafes in Bali, don't use a cute photo from a recent trip to New York. Use an actual cafe in Bali. And if you don't have access to this, you can find stock images in Pin Generator, which has them directly integrated into your tool. Your pictures and words matter. Keep your text short, searchable, and easy to read. No clickbait, no tiny fonts, no crazy cursive. Make it simple. Number 3, fresh pins. Pinterest is still favoring fresh content. If you're not sure what that means, check out our recent video where I walked you through all of Pinterest's best practice, including what a fresh pin is, how to make it, and how to batch create pins so you can make a month's worth of content in just 5 minutes. I'll link that in the description below, but for now, let's just clarify. A fresh pin does not mean you need a new blog post or a new product. It simply means you need a new pin, a new title, a new image, and a new description. Each pin needs to look unique, even if the link is the same. Number 4, board names and descriptions. Yep, even your boards affect your Pinterest SEO. Name them with keywords people are actually searching for, like easy vegan dinner recipes. Make it easy for Pinterest to understand what your account's about and who to promote it to. And number 5, pin quality. Clean, crisp, clear images, these still matter. Use bright, high-quality images, clear fonts, and make sure the correct size, 1000 by 1500 pixels is usually best. If you get these 5 things right, you're already ahead of most creators on Pinterest. See, Pinterest SEO doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you're juggling a blog, shop, or affiliate content and don't want to spend hours making pins, Pin Generator can help to quickly create fresh pins from your existing links and auto-generate titles, descriptions, and designs. You can batch create these without Canva and without ChatGPT. If this video helped make Pinterest SEO a little more clear, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you're planning to optimize first. Where are you in your Pinterest journey? And if you want more Pinterest tips without the fluff, don't forget to hit subscribe. I drop new videos every week to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'm Max, and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.